This is a 2022 Massey Ferguson 7S.180 Dyna-6 in an efficient spec. Set 6-cylinder, 180 horsepower, and it does boost, with a 50k semi-power shift gearbox. It's equipped with a 850 kilogram front weight. It has a 265 kilogram front belly weight. Some stowage for the clevis drawbar, which is showing no signs of wear. The front bodywork and grille is in immaculate condition, no scuffs or scratches or any signs of rust. It's on a hydraulically suspended front axle with pivoting front mudguards. It's on fixed front rims. The front tyres are Massey 480 70R28s. This front left tyre is slightly bald and it's about 20% tread remaining. Mudguards are in good condition. It's diesel and AdBlue. Cab glass surrounds immaculate. It's got halogen front work lights, twin halogen beacons, and it is equipped with telemetry. It's on fixed rear rims and a fixed rear axle, and the rear tyres are Massey 580 70R38s. And these are about 30 to 40% tread remaining, with no serious scuffs or scratches on the tread bar and on the sidewall. Halogen rear work lights, Cat 3 rear linkage with a manual top link, and then there's external rear linkage control on the left and the right hand side rear fenders, and external spool and PTO control on the left hand side only. It is on a sprung cab, 4 rear spools with the decompression levers, power beyond, air and hydraulic brakes, isobus. There's a case drain and a free flow return. Rear linkage is all free and loose, just missing a little bit of the grey paint in the usual places. Bit of wear on the Dramone pickup hitch. Rear right tyre also at about 40% tread remaining. No cuts or scratches. It's got split glass mirrors. Battery cover's in good condition. Exhaust stack isn't showing any signs of rust or dents. No signs of any leaks. And this front right tyre is also a Massey 480, also bald, 10% tread or less. So in the cab of the 7S, the trim and plastic is immaculate. It's just do with a good clean. Got a cloth passenger seat in good condition, and there's a Grandma air suspended and heated driver's seat, also in very good condition. Currently has a seat cover on it. Headliner just needs a good clean. We've got air conditioning, Bluetooth radio, and then as this is an efficient spec, we've got 2 electronic spools and 2 manual spools. All of your rear linkage adjustments, lights, PTO adjustments, rear linkage depth dial. It has done 2,226 hours and starts and runs well. So if you'd like any more information on the 7S180, or you'd like to come have a look at it, please get in contact with us at Thurlow Nunn Standen.